Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex process that allows plants to convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, which they use for energy. It's a vital process for all life on Earth, as it provides the oxygen we breathe. The process begins with the absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll, a green pigment found in plant cells. This light energy is then used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The process of photosynthesis can be broken down into two main stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions. In the light-dependent reactions, chlorophyll absorbs light energy, which is then used to create a high-energy molecule called ATP and a molecule called NADPH. These molecules are then used in the light-independent reactions to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. So there you have it, folks. The process of photosynthesis is truly remarkable, and it's a testament to the incredible adaptations that have evolved over time. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-related content. Until next time, keep exploring.